Hi guys, today I wanted to say a big thank you very much to everyone for watching us, to follow us all the time. We start 1.5 years ago, just like that, for Joe. Now we have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. We are very proud of this, and we want to do more. We have a lot more video to do, is a lot of work to do. But I don't want to be long. I just want to say again a big thank you, and a very big thank you is for two guys. One is our editor, Ludo. Ciao Ludo, thank you very much. And the other one is our graphic designer, Charlie. Ciao Charlie, thank you, and keep going like that. We have a lot of work to do, and now after this video you can have some fun with some funny video.
A glass of wine.
For us, thank you, and I hope we celebrate something bigger than that. And always, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao! Hi guys, I'm Piero. Welcome in this channel. I just want to say, no, I don't know what I want to say. Wait. Hi guys, nice to see you again. And thank you to watch the... Hi guys, nice to see you again. And thank you for watching the... Hi guys, nice to see you again, and thank you for watching cooking with Hi guys, nice to see you again, and thank you for watching Cook with an Italian. Today, super easy and tasty is vegetarian stuff today. Balls with a hole here. Doesn't work really. Okay. Hi guys, nice to see you again, and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today is something very unusual. We're gonna do the we're gonna dry aged meat in the butter. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Guys, nice to see you.